Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if it's your first time. Today we are ploughing. What we're going to be doing is ploughing and then reseeding this field with just grass. And at the moment we're only doing one way down because it's quite wet, but since it's been so hot it's the driest this field's ever been. It's still obviously a bit wet, so we're just going to be going down until that pond part, and then we'll be going up and down. So I'll show you the plough flip, but I'm going to get back in this tractor before I die. It is 34 degrees outside and that engine is hot. So the line's not very straight right now because I just connected up to that bush in the way, but I'm going to start again. So I'm going to do this part and then I'll be able to film plough flipping, and then I'll get the drone in the air. But I'm just going to do this bit because I have to keep driving back, so this will take longer. Now I've gotten past this bit, and we're going up and down the field. So when I get to here I'll show you flipping the plough. Lift the plough up. Doing this with one hand, so it's going to be slower. And then flip this green lever. Turn around like this, and then we'll be in line with the ridge that the plough made. So in this bit, then we line it up. Put it back down again. So we have now got to the very edge, and it does sound like there's rain. There is thunder behind, so I'm going to go up and down on each side. Now along the edge. Don't want to get too close to that ditch, so I'm going to leave a little gap. Normally you would get it right close, but there is a ditch, so. And that field is done, so hopefully there will be a drone video of this field playing over right now. If not, it's rain and I haven't been able to do it in time. I'm gonna bring this back home and we'll see what else is going on today. So they've started digging out the holes. This is for the post to go in, measuring it out, and this is what they've done so far. So as you can see, all these on the outside, and there's string going across, it's where they've measured. We're now filling in these holes with concrete, and we put bolts in the concrete, and when it's dried we can put the metal beams and connect them into the bolts. That beeping you can hear is how we know the height of the concrete. So we have a laser on the correct height, and when it's beeping we know that's where it needs to be. And these are the bolts that are in the concrete, and next video you'll see the beams that have gone up and part of the roof. But I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.